the phone be with Nicole, come on, chal. बाबूराव का बेबी है
टाइम से सोच रहा था.
What's up guys?
Hi guys, this is Jumur.
Hi Nicole and welcome back to our channel.
Today is the second
so we
day.
are still in the Spice Farm and it is day 2. And we did a lot of things today, so let me tell you, let us tell you a lot more.
Morning was really exciting. We woke up and we went. Where did we go?
We went for a nature trail and we visited 2 to 3 local places here nearby.
It's all a surprise. We had no idea where we are going.
So these guys are not letting us know about any of the places' name. Neither we know the activities before you do, like before we are there on the venue, like the cafeteria where everything is happening, nor the places that we are going. They don't tell us anything. So everything is a surprise.
It's a surprise,
so
and you
it's a
have
nice
to be
element.
prepared for whatever comes.
Yeah, they just tell you that we are going for a trail, so get ready, wear your shoes or whatever like that. So we woke up really early, which we normally don't do at all.
No, not at all.
She is not a morning person.
I'm not a morning person. I'm not used to wake up before 10.
Yeah, so I'm like fine.
So we woke up really early and then we went for a nature trail, fully dressed up in our sportswear and comfortable shoes. उसके बाद जो मज़ा आया, I'm sure if you search about Goa and the places to visit in Goa, you will find Budbud Tali, means the bubbling lake's name in South Goa. So yes, we went for a nature trail and we walked till the Budbud Tali and it has a beautiful
We never
temple.
walked so much. I'm not used to walking so much because see, I'm wearing this Fitbit, and when I'm at home, I hardly take around 500 steps a day. But here, I mean, my steps are like 5,000. It's 10 times of what I do usually. At
Mine
home.
is average per day is going to 8 to 9,000.
Yeah, even I
steps.
reached 8,000.
So I'm
That's the
really happy that
maximum.
I'm working out.
Yes.
It doesn't happen at home. And I'm shy. Okay.
Okay, please come and say hi.
No, it's a half.
So,
Hi,
this is
she's
Bianca.
Bianca, roommate, and that's behind her the room. So finally, you got to see her face.
And she's here, so we got conscious.
No, we are not. No, we are not. She's
forgot what
she's an inspiration. She's not.
but I forgot what I was talking.
Okay, we went to this water body. I'm not sure if it's a lake. What was that? Was it a lake or
Bulbutali, it's like a...
not Bulbutali?
What? Oh, the other one. Okay. No, we have not finished yet.
We-
About Bulbutali. It's not just the lake, it's just
There's a
temple.
small temple as well.
Yeah. It was a small temple. I'll show you the old photographs. It was a small temple, but now everything has been built very beautifully. So it's like all concrete, like well built, nice places to sit down and you can, spend some time there. But yeah, bubbling lake. Okay, उसका main reason क्या है? उसका नाम था. So when you go there and you clap or make some noise. It was happening. That these
No,
guys are
I
doing
just
it.
saw the bubbles coming out. I didn't know
Yeah.
that you have to clap or make some noise.
Yeah, you just clap in front of the lake like this and all the bubbles come.
Okay.
That's why it is Budbutali. Budbutali.
I got to know another reason where they told there's some oil.
Yeah, so
An
I don't know the
underground thing and all.
technical thing. So I just know it's there.
Not sure about the reason, but if you go and do this clapping thing, and you'll see bubbles coming out.
Yeah.
So if you want to see bubbles, make some bubbles in your
वाह
life.
वाह Then अरे पहली बार नदी क्रॉस किया यार. ना नदी नहीं था. Actually it was like a झरना. A small
I'm not sure if it's a
stream
nadi,
going
river,
or या
water
फिर
body, lake,
yeah, it was a water body. Like
We
it looks
had
like
two
a
bands
small
you can
stream.
actually cross. It was not that
And
deep.
we thought it's deep.
It was not deep.
It was not deep at all. जो वहाँ पे जो मस्ती हुई है, I'm sure वीडियो देख के पता चल जाएगा, clippings देख के. And yes, this is all we did and so much fun. And Bianca is having fun watching us.
Oh, careful. We were drenched completely. And we went to a water body and we are in the rain
Playing in
festival.
the water, all of us. So like playing in the water. Chop. We did an activity there as well.
Yeah,
So,
activities
yeah.
are like back to back, drenched from head to toe because of the water, and this is the
Water
monsoon
and
festival
continuous rain.
again. So we are like drenched almost half of the day. We hardly get time to take an actual
So
bath.
we have a big polythene full of wet clothes. जिसको जाके
You don't have to do this. We have a washing machine.
I'm being over dramatic. Nothing else. ऐसे नहीं धोते अभी हम लोग. वॉशिंग मशीन में
Now
धोते
you
हैं.
know what? We are actually getting late.
It's early in the morning. It's early in the morning. Jamur is still sleeping. This is our first day of activity, and we are going for nature trail. It's 6 in the morning. She's still not awake. Let's wake her up, right? Jamur! Good morning, Jamur! What the fuck? Baby? Baby? Fuck are you shooting? She just got up. She just got up.
To shoot our travel, not me.
Look at her face. He looks so funny.
Let me sleep also. I won't be able to
No.
shoot and go
अरे
anywhere.
जाना है भाई नेचर ट्रेल के लिए जाना है. Let's go.
Turning your with your feet in
चल चल शाबाश शाबाश निकोल कमान चल 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 चल. सोपी में बोले सारे कमी नहीं. कमान जल्दी 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 दूसरी टीम आ गई जल्दी जल्दी कमान. कमान कमान कमान. ये बाबूराव का चश्मा है.
बाबूराव का चश्मा है.
चोरी चोरी ये दिल ने कहा चोरी में भी है मजा. Look at her.
Hardly got
So
some
we-
time. We're just back from this.
Yeah.
We had our breakfast.
Yes.
And they're calling us
We
again.
had one activity, and then we have another one now. So there's a little gap in between. It's a break we got in between. So we are going again for our activity, and like it will be night soon. So we'll have a dinner and then wind up the day. So yes,
We थोड़ा
जाते हैं सबके साथ और मस्ती करते हैं. And we'll get back to you guys. Bye. So this is the way to our cottage, and yeah, they have a natural swimming pool, and that's the yoga center by the way. But they are building it again. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I love it. And this is the one. So let me show you our cottage. Jumur is already inside. Let's say hello to her. Look at that. I'm sure nobody is using that. They're having so much fun doing other activities. So these are all the cottages. Hello. Actually, that's our balcony. That's our balcony. So let's go inside. Yeah, open sky. We have one cottage there, one here, one there. There's two of them there. We stay in that one.
So that's the room. Let's see what she's doing. Hello, girls.
Hello. Hi. It's a young one. See, it's a young one. It's super small because older ones, they immediately when you touch it, it crawls into a circle. So this is a super young one. Look, they're so.
Oh my god.
They do nothing.
I'll not be able
Come
to
here.
do that.
See in the light. Look at its legs. Isn't it fascinating how fast the
Yeah.
legs move? It's so cute. And because it's so young, it doesn't know how to mind. You need to conquer your mind.
Yeah, that's what I'm
This
trying
is
to do.
your
That's why I
breathe.
asked to be dhora.
Breathe. Okay, when you're afraid, you stop breathing.
Yeah,
That's what you're doing right
yeah.
now. You're stopping to breathe. Come here. No. Breathe. 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 Doing nothing to you. Look at me. It's doing nothing to me. Breathe. Breathe. Nicole, look. Don't not look.
Look after this.
Nicole, look.
Oh
What
my
is
god.
happening? Nicole, look. Look. It's on your hand. Relax. It's okay.
No.
On Nicole's forehead. New friend. See? Hi. I was always afraid of you. So now
I'm
you're
okay.
You're gonna kind of be okay.
Oh
He's
yeah.
coming towards you to say
Yes.
hi.
Okay, centipedes are poisonous. Millipedes are not. These guys are not poisonous. Centipedes look scary and they are poisonous.
हैप्पीनेस को जीना और हैप्पीनेस को सीखना, क्या ये दोनों एक साथ हो सकता है? इसके लिए मैं काफ़ी टाइम से सोच रहा था और हैप्पीनेस फेस्टिवल मेरे को एक ऐसी जगह दिख रही है और आज सुबह का एक्सपीरियंस, कल आप सब लोग आए उसके बाद का एक्सपीरियंस, तो मेरे को वो होते हुए दिख रहा है कि हम वो ऑथेंटिक हैप्पीनेस जो होती है, ट्रू हैप्पीनेस होती है जो अंदर से हम महसूस करते हैं, हार्ट फेल्ट पॉजिटिविटी, वो कहीं ना कहीं हम अलग अलग तरीके से यहाँ पर महसूस कर पा रहे हैं। वैसी जगह बन रही है, वैसी जगह पे हम आए भी हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, नेचर में जा रहे हैं, तो वो ऑथेंटिक हैप्पीनेस हम महसूस कर पा रहे हैं।
First of all, I just wanted to thank everyone for the past 2 days. I've had some really, really nice conversations and I've had really nice conversations with so many people.
Same here. I think this place is amazing. I think I've always हमेशा से तो मेरा गोवा आने का एक पॉइंट था कि मानसून में जाना है। सब लोग वैसे तो जाते ही हैं। आई ऑलवेज दिस मतलब हमेशा मैं सोचता हूँ कि कोई अगर जगह है तो उसकी ओरिजिनल उसमें जाना चाहिए। अगर डेजर्ट में जा रहे हो तो एक बार गर्मियों में जाओ, अगर माउंटेन्स में जा रहे हो तो एक बार विंटर्स में जाओ। तो यहाँ पर गोवा में आने का था कि एक बार मानसून में जाकर देखना है। सो आई एम हैप्पी कि यहाँ पर मैं आया एंड इस स्पेस में आया और इस एनवायरनमेंट में आया और अच्छे लोगों से मिला। सो आई ऑल्सो थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर एवरीथिंग।
One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
अच्छा, ये
पेंडेंट जैसा है, अंडे जैसा है। शायद आपने सोशल मीडिया पे एक वीडियो देखा होगा जिसमें ये ऐसे खुलता है और चीज़ें एक्सचेंज होती है। तो इसके बारे में जो बताना है कि इसको यूज़ कैसे करना है, इसका मतलब क्या है, ये कैसे काम करता है साइकोलॉजी पे।
इसी के साथ ये व्लॉग हम यहाँ पे ही ख़त्म करते हैं। ये एक्टिविटीज़ के बाद डिनर हुआ, डिनर के बाद हम लोग सो गए थे, बहुत टायर्ड थे तो और रिकॉर्डिंग किया नहीं। नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में जल्दी ही मिलते हैं। कमेंट कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।